Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about performing a backup and then a restore of a group policy object up inside of our Active Directory. And though I am performing this procedure on a Microsoft Server 2019 installation, the same procedure applies to Server 2012 and Server 2016. So up inside of Server Manager, let's just go to Tools, and from the context menu, select Group Policy Management. Now once you're up inside of your Group Policy Management, just go ahead and expand everything that you have. So let's start with our domains, and then the domain. Expand our sites. And underneath our domains, we have something called Group Policy Objects. Let's go ahead and expand that. And here you can see all of the Group Policy Objects we currently have for our Active Directory domain. So what we want to do at this time is perform a backup of all of our Group Policy Objects. So to do this, we're going to right click on our Group Policy Objects container and we're going to select Backup All. Here I'm going to back it up to the desktop. You can just click on the Browse button. You can go out here to your desktop and now you can give it a good description. We can call this GP Backup and then just say or click Backup. Depending on the number of Group Policy Objects you have to backup, it shouldn't take but just a few minutes. Go ahead and click OK when you're all done with that. So now the scenario is we have deleted accidentally one of our Group Policy Objects and we need to restore it. So up underneath my Group Policy Objects, I have a Group Policy Object called Test. I'm going to go ahead and right click on it and I'm going to select Delete. I'm going to say yes. And now that Group Policy Object has been deleted. I now need to restore it. To restore it, we're just going to right click again on our Group Policy Objects container and we're going to select Manage Backups. And here you see we have a Group Policy Object called Test. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that Test. That's the one we deleted. And now from my options, I'm going to go ahead and select Restore. When it's all done, I'm just going to click OK and I'll click Close, and there's our Group Policy Object restored. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about performing a backup and then a restore of a Group Policy Object up inside of our Microsoft Active Directory domain. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was provided for you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.